Welcome to Korum Automotive Group. We are family owned and operated and have been taking care of our customers since 1956. This is a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. The most desirable features on board this Chevrolet include adjustable driver pedals, a heated driver's seat, a multi-disc CD player, 3-point rear seat belts, fog lamps, and this vehicle has just over 90,000 miles. The durable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, creates ample amounts of power whether you're towing or just driving around. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself. Korum Automotive Group is located at the corner of River Road and Meridian in Puyallup. Korum has been serving our customers since 1956, providing excellence in sales and service of new Ford, Mitsubishi, and Hyundai products, along with a huge selection of pre-owned vehicles. Come visit the Korum Corner, or call 253-845-6600 to schedule an appointment today.